Lego is? Okay, all of you, good. Now raise your hand if you own a Lego set. Okay, well today I'm going to be talking about how the Lego got started. The Lego group got started in a carpentry workshop of Ole Kirk Christensen in Billund, Denmark. In 1916, Christensen bought a workshop that had been in business since 1895. Then later, the workshop caught on fire and all that was left were wood shavings. Soon he built a new and bigger workshop, and it continued expanding his business. In his workshop, he would make stepladders, ironing boards, and wood toys. But his most successful product was wooden toys. When the Great Depression hit, he had fewer customers and had to focus on smaller things. Then, in 1932, Ole Kirk's shop started making wooden toys such as piggy banks, pull toys, cars, trucks, and houses. Then, in the mid-1930s, the yo-yo fad gave him an increase in sales, but it soon collapsed. Because he wanted to reduce waste, he used leftover yo-yo parts to make wheels for the toy trucks. Soon after, his son Godfred started taking an active role in his company. Then, in 1934, he had a contest amongst his staff to name the company. As a prize, he offered a homemade bottle of wine. The winner of the contest was the name Lego, meaning play well in Danish, but in Latin it means I put together. So after that, they started putting the name Lego on all their products. Plastic toys. In 1947, the Lego company was the first in Denmark to buy a plastic injection molding machine for making toys. One of his first toys was a truck that could be taken apart and reassembled. Soon he applied for a patent on hollow plastic building cubes with 4 studs on top, kind of like this one. So he wanted them to be positioned on top of each other without movement. So they got a patent and they started producing similar bricks they called automatic binding bricks. The name was later changed to Lego bricks. On May 1st, 1955, the word Lego was officially registered as a trademark in Denmark. Then his son Godfred came up with the idea to make a system. So Godfred evaluated their products and picked the plastic bricks as the best option for the system. So in 1955, the Lego system of play came out, which had 28 sets and 8 vehicles, using the Lego blocks. Later on, the blocks started having issues locking together, so they improved it by putting hollow tubes underneath them. Like under here, you can see the tubes. So in the same year this was done, Ole Kirk Christensen died, and his son Godfred inherited the leadership of the company. Once again, the Lego group was struck by another fire in the warehouse where they kept all the wooden toys. Since almost all their wooden toys were gone, they decided to leave them behind and move on with the plastic bricks. Then in 1961 and 1962, they came out with the Lego wheel, which people could use to build trucks, cars, buses, and other vehicles using the Lego bricks. And in 1964, they started putting instruction manuals in sets for the first time. One of Lego's great successful products was the Lego train system. Later in the Lego development, they started making furniture, dollhouses in 1971, and boat and ship sets that actually floated. The Lego minifigure. The Lego minifigure was introduced in 1978 with posable arms and legs and a friendly smile. The idea for the Lego figure was so that people who bought sets would have Lego people populating their sets. So some of today's current sets are Lego Batman, Creator, City, Castles, Friends, Hero Factory, and Racers, and more. Some of today's discontinued sets are Lego Indiana Jones, Harry Potter, Bionicle, and more. Lego has come a long way in the last 80 years, but it's today's 4th largest manufacturer of toys. Lego has also been called Toy of the Century 2 times. Thank you.